Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys seem to love my Savannah haul. So इसीलिए मैं आ चुकी हूँ with a yet another Savannah haul. This time is very girly, very feminine. In 2026 अगर आप वो soft girl aesthetic achieve करना चाह रहे हो, this haul is for you guys because आज जो भी मैंने चीज़ें ली है, चाहे वो cord sets, dress, tops, skirts, cord sets to dresses and whatnot, I have everything that's so girly, so ladylike, so feminine. So yes, without much blabbering, chalo, let's quickly get started with today's video. These are all the stuff that I have. It's a lot और दो चार यहाँ पड़े हुए हैं. I just couldn't pick it up. But these are all the stuff that I have. That is worth 15,000 rupees. So let's begin with the haul. So let's start with tops. मेरे पास जो top है ना बहुत ही सुंदर है. Polka dotted top है. Asymmetrical vibe है. And it just looks so nice. So if you're wanting to go for that feminine aesthetic, then polka dots are the easiest option. It makes you look so girly, so feminine, so ladylike. One that I have is for 790 rupees and आपको तीन कलर में मिल जाएंगे. That is beige polka dot, red polka dot and black में आपको polka dot मिल जाएगा. Size आपको small से large तक का मिल जाएगा. And this is what it looks like. सारे प्रोडक्ट के लिंक्स मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी. आप लोग जरूर चेक कर लेना. Do not forget to use my code that is Anurika44 in order to get additional discounts on your entire Savannah का order. जब भी आप Savannah से shopping कर रही हो, make sure to go ahead and use my coupon code that is Anurika ANURIKA44 ताकि आपको ढेर सारे extra discounts and offers आपको मिल जाए. So this is what the first item looks like. एक beautiful सा polka dotted top है and this is what I have received. I freaking love it from the quality to the fit. So this is what the beautiful top looks like. I freaking love it. इस तरीके से आपको इसका polka dot मिल जाएगा. Then because it's an asymmetrical hem वाला top, तो यहाँ से आप देख पा रहे हो asymmetrical design भी है जो कि बहुत ही प्यारा है. Then we have the sleeve right here. Again lettuce hem right here, curly lettuce hem and bell sleeve है जो कि बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है. Polka dots are the easiest. It makes you look so much more elegant and classic without actually putting in any effort. इसके साथ पहनने के लिए I have ordered a beautiful brown color का skirt. So let me show you. This is the next thing that I ordered इसके साथ पहनने के लिए. So this is the slit A-line skirt that was for 990 rupees and color आपको brown में ही मिलता है and size आपको small से XL तक का मिल जाएगा. And this is what I ordered, ठीक है? But it's actually a skirt. So this is what I have. Again, beautiful fitting, beautiful length. ये बिल्कुल वैसा short नहीं है. It is just so perfect for me. Plus ये short है या फिर skirt है तो ये बिल्कुल uncomfortable महसूस नहीं हो रहा. So this is what the beautiful skirt looks like. As you can see, I freaking love it. I love the color, love the fit. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. यहाँ से ना आपको एक slit दिया गया है, but उसको भी अंदर से fabric दे के stitch करा है fabric अंदर से ताकि आप uncomfortable महसूस ना करो. Skirts are the best friend. अगर आप छोटे skirts में uncomfortable रहते हो, just wear a skirt जैसा look भी आ जाएगा plus आप बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable भी रहोगे. Next, let's move on to the top that I am wearing. I freaking love it. The moment I saw the top on the website, I was like, this is what I'm getting. So this is the elegant peplum top that is for 790 rupees. The color is brown, rustic, हल्का सा orange tone है इसके अंदर and this is what the beautiful top looks like. So ये रहा, this is the top and it exactly matches with the picture. It just hugs and fits my body at all the right places and gives me such a beautiful shape. This is what the top looks like. Like I said, it just hugs my body at all the right places and it just gives me such a beautiful shape. I just can't wait to go ahead and wear this. Summer के लिए this is just going to be so perfect. It's super light fit, very comfortable and looks absolutely stylish. Let's move on to all the skirts, dresses and cord sets जो मैंने मंगवाई है. So this is the next skirt that I got and I freaking love it. It's again perfect for summers. Like I said, summers already approach कर चुका है Calcutta में. It's already very warm here. So this is the lace trimmed A-line skirt. Reels for 890 rupees but 15% off में आप ये दे रहे हैं at just 756 rupees. This is what it looks like. This is the perfect summer elegant classic skirt. I freaking love it. you can just go ahead and dress it up or dress it down. This is the skirt that I ordered and I love it. It's super 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 comfortable, very airy, again perfect for summer days. Then around the hem ठीक है, नीचे की तरफ स्कर्ट्स के जो एंड है ना, इट हैज़ लेस। स्कर्ट के एंड पे आपको लेस, इस तरीके का लेस मिल जाएगा जो कि बहुत ही प्यारा है। लाइक यू कैन सी आई लव दैट फिनिशिंग, दैट डिटेलिंग, इट जस्ट मेक्स अ हेल लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस। काफ़ी ज़्यादा फेमिनाइन, गर्ली, लेडी लाइक वाइब देता है। इस तरीके के वर्सेटाइल पीसेस आपके पास बिल्कुल रहने चाहिए ताकि आप एक चीज़ को ही ड्रेस अप कर सकते हो एंड वो सेम चीज़ को ही ड्रेस डाउन कर सकते हो। नाउ आई एम लेफ्ट विद 3 to 4 different pieces and सारे के सारे cord sets and dresses है. So let's start with the dress. So this is one dress that I ordered. This is the beautiful button bodycon dress. It was for 1190 rupees and इसका कलर है burgundy. आपको sizes small से XL तक का मिल जाएगा and I ordered and chose the size S. So this is what the beautiful dress looks like. It's a sweater, beautiful maxi dress. So this is what the beautiful dress looks like. I love the color. It just looks so ladylike. I am embracing red. ठीक है, मैं हमेशा red से भाग रही थी, but right now I'm trying to add red into my wardrobe because it actually matches and complements my skin tone. So this is what the dress looks like. Beautiful burgundy red in color. Sweater material है, sweater fabric है, तो इस तरीके से आपको ये पूरा stretchable वाला मिल जाएगा. Plus it has a मिडी लेंथ, ठीक है. देन आपको पूरे के पूरे ड्रेस में इस तरीके का आपको पूरा बटन मिल जाएगा. सो यू कैन आइदर चूज टू button it up or keep it half open. This kind of dresses makes you look so nice, so girly and so feminine. So अगर आपको भी elegant classic pieces चाहिए, these are the pieces that you should definitely get your hands on. So this is what the dress looks like. I freaking love it. You're gonna love me for recommending this. Let's move on to the last two pieces that I have, and दोनों ही cord set है. So this is the first cord set that I have. It is this very beautiful gathered cord set. It is for 1690 rupees and आपको sizes small से large तक का मिल जाएगा. So this is what the beautiful cord set looks like. ये एक mini skirt and top का full sleeve top का एक cord set है. So this is what it looks like. Why I love cord set is that आप अलग से उसका टॉप एंड अलग से उसका बॉटम है, चाहे वो स्कर्ट या फिर ट्राउजर हो, अलग अलग करके दूसरी चीज़ों के साथ भी पैर अप करके आराम से पहन सकते हो. So this is what the top looks like. Very simple, ठीक है, like this. Very simple. हल्का सा puffer detailing है around the shoulder and then we have full sleeve plus square neck है जो कि बहुत ही प्यारा है. Very simple, very sober. But the skirt is of very cute and good quality. It looks so nice. So this is what the beautiful skirt looks like. काफ़ी अच्छा मटेरियल का है. Again, length is just gorgeous. Stockings के साथ आप आराम से पहन सकते हो, leggings के साथ आराम से पहन सकते हो. And the quality is just so nice. Again, very cute. हल्का हल्का sequin का detailing भी दिया गया है. And the color is just so nice. If you go ahead and shop from Savannah, use my coupon code ताकि आपको ढेर सारा और extra discounts मिल जाए. And the very last item that I ordered is a beautiful cord set again. And this I can actually go and wear all year round. ज़्यादा गर्मी उनसे मैं नहीं पहन पाऊंगी, but most of the time के लिए मैं आराम से पहन पाऊंगी. So this is the ruffle cord set. Retails for 1490 rupees. Comes in the color black and आपको sizes extra small से large तक का मिल जाएगा. And this is what I ordered. ये मैं actually पहनने वाली हूँ क्योंकि I'm going out with my mom. First it will just hug your body. It will snatch and hug your body and then नीचे से आपको एक फ्लैट डिटेलिंग मिल जाएगा जो कि बहुत ही सुंदर लगता है. So this is what the skirt looks like I said. Hugs your body here, snatches your body and then you have the flare right here. That just looks so nice. So इस तरीके से कुछ इसका डिटेलिंग है. जब मैं पहनूंगी आप लोग को आराम से पता चल जाएगा. Then we have the top right here. The moment I saw the top, जब मैंने इसका top देखा ना, तब actually I decided कि this is what I'm getting. It looks so good. So this is what the beautiful top looks like. I love how beautiful, cute and gorgeous this looks. Again, sleeve कुछ इस तरीके का है. Then we have a detailing right here. That just looks so nice. आप देखो इस तरीके से आपको कुछ इसका detailing मिल जाएगा. The sleeve looks like this. Then we have the detailings around the bust area. That just caught my eye, and इसी वजह से ये टॉप देखकर एक्चुअली मैंने डिसाइड करा कि दिस इज़ व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग। हाँ, आपको बस की तरह ब्यूटीफुल सा डिटेलिंग मिल जाएगा, एंड देन आपको पेप्लम वाला शेप मिल जाएगा जो कि बहुत ही सुंदर लगता है। पेप्लम्स आर डेफिनेटली इन 2026। सो यस, that's it for today's video, and I hope you guys like it. Again, this was such a beautiful feminine haul. I really wanted to come here and share these beautiful pieces with you guys because these are really worth trying and incorporating in your wardrobe. So make sure to go ahead and use my code, that is Anuriga44, in order to get additional discounts and off on your entire order. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Tab tak ke liye, take care and bye bye.